Hey, it's Keith from Vector Off-Road, and today we are going to be installing the two-door Wrangler platform for the JL. It's a product that I know you two-door guys have been waiting for a long time, and we are really excited about it. Let's get right into it. We've taken the top off of this Jeep to be able to show you the process easier. If you want to leave it on, you can leave it on. It'll go in either way. First thing you're going to want to do is pull out your hardtop bolts. Your bracket will sit right here on this ledge, which would be inside of your hardtop if your hardtop was in place. And then just run your hardtop bolts right back through. Run these down all the way. Keep them loose because we want to be able to adjust things until we get the platform in place. Repeat the step on the other side. Make sure this long leg points towards the front of the vehicle. Now that we've got our two side brackets in, we're going to bring in our main platform. The logo will face the rear of the vehicle. It's always a lot easier at this point to bring in an assistant. If you don't have anyone helping you, you can also put a box or something in there to help the platform rest on, but I've got a helper here. Line up the slot on the front of the platform with this front hole, but we're going to do this hardware last when we add the corner reinforcement. So just take your bolt with a washer and send it through there, and then get another one, bolt with a washer through here. Then take another washer on the inside with a lock nut. Get these started. Keep everything loose until your final step, when we'll do a final torque. Now we'll go ahead and move around and work on the roll cage support brackets. Start with your small corner reinforcement bracket. Line it up here. Bring your bolt and washer through the side. Put your washer and your lock nut on the inside. Then take your left-hand bracket, which will line up with these two threaded bungs on your roll cage. Use the provided hardware that comes with your kit. Get both of these started. In your hardware kit, there are 4 1/4-inch bolts that are slightly longer than the others. These will be used where you've got multiple layers of brackets stacking up, like in this position here. Okay, so use your longer bolt with your washer, stick it through the roll bar support bracket, the corner reinforcement, and into the platform. Then use a washer and a lock nut on the inside. Get this started, and let's go do the other side. Let's move to the forward corner here, where we're going to place another corner reinforcement bracket. We'll use one of the shorter bolts on the front. Then we'll use one of our longer bolts to go through the side where it's going through multiple layers of steel and aluminum. Put the corner reinforcement plate on the other side of the front. Use the longer bolt here where it goes through multiple layers, and use the shorter bolts on this side. Put a washer and a lock nut on the inside. We've provided tolerance within the holes for you to make fine adjustments. There are some small adjustments here, and as well you can adjust your brackets here in and out to adjust the height of the platform. I'm going to go ahead and just line up this edge, tighten these nuts and bolts here, do the same on the back, and then make my final adjustments with these bolts here. I'm using a 7/16 socket and ratcheting wrench to tighten all the hardware. There is some height adjustment built into the roll cage support brackets. We've got this leveled out where we want it. I'm going to use a 13mm socket, cinch these up on both sides. Final step is to retighten your hardtop bolts with a T50. You should have one in your Jeep's kit. Give these a good turn, and repeat that on the other side. We've positioned the platform so that your seat can still go all the way back and have a comfortable recline. From the floor of the trunk to the bottom of the platform is right about 25 inches. Gives you a lot of room for a refrigerator, for camping gear, or even for your dog. The platform easily clears a 2-door rear seat if you choose to leave it inside your vehicle. In each of the 4 corners of the platform, we have tie-down points. We sell an accessory cargo net. It's made from heavy-duty netting. It has adjustable lash points in all 4 corners. It's a great accessory for keeping all of your gear secured. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We want you to feel confident in your Vector gear. I weigh 225 pounds and I'm sitting up here on this platform. It holds me no problem at all. Feel free to overland with this, camp with it, explore with it. It's made in the USA. It's an outstanding product. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trails.